Good day everyone, my name is Jinky Dakanay from BSIT Block C. Today we will make a business website with home, about us, contact us. Contact us with form container, form fields, name, email, subject, message, phone, buttons, and submit. Services, blogs, testimonials, reviews, portfolio, case studies, FAQ, privacy policy, terms and conditions. We already created and papakita ko na lang po sa inyo. Artisan search. Para po lumabas yung website natin na ginawa. Ito po. Copy lang po yan. And paste. Dito po tayo gumawa ng website sa resources. Post reviews. Ito po yung mga page natin. Itong home. And itong mga about, services, and contact. Dito rin po yung mga picture sa images. Public as images. Tapos po, para lumabas yung database natin, type lang po natin yung PHP Artisan Migrate. Yan po. PHP Artisan Migrate. Tapos po, ito po yung lalabas na database. Yan po. Yan. Kusang gagawa na. Now we will explore our business website. Services. Contact. System disorder. And your phone number, send message. Your message has been sent. Send na po yan sa akin. So, para rin po makita kung may database na. Ito yung database connection. Yan. Ito rin po yung natin. Para mag-get. And ito yung dahilan kaya na-post yung mga information. Tapos po ito yung page controller. Yan. Yun lang po. Thank you.